I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use elemental shards in Anime Vanguard. Elemental shards are vital components that significantly boost your gameplay. They serve as the core material for upgrading your favorite characters and strengthening their unique skills. Understanding their function is the first step toward mastering the game's progression system. We will cover everything from acquiring them to strategically deploying them for maximum impact. Obtaining elemental shards involves several engaging activities within the game. You can consistently earn a steady supply by completing your daily quests, often yielding between 5 and 10 shards. Special in-game events also offer generous quantities, sometimes up to 50 shards for major milestones. Don't forget to challenge powerful bosses, as they frequently drop rare shards, enhancing your collection significantly. Once you have a good collection, deploying your elemental shards strategically is key. Navigate to the upgrade menu to enhance your character's core abilities, often requiring 20 to 30 shards per level. You can also visit the crafting station to forge powerful new gear, with some legendary items needing over 100 shards. Remember, each shard contributes to making your Vanguard truly formidable. To truly excel, focus on maximizing your shard efficiency. Always prioritize using your elemental shards on your primary team members first, as this provides the most immediate power boost. Resist the urge to spend rare shards on minor upgrades. Instead, save them for those game-changing, high-tier enhancements or crafting legendary items. A smart player plans their shard usage carefully, ensuring every single shard contributes to their ultimate success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.